Yes, ready. These petitions on behalf of certain newspaper establishments challenged the constitutional validity of the working journalists bracket start conditions of service bracket close and miscellaneous provisions act 1955 and the legality of the decision of the wage board constituted thereunder purporting to act under section 9 of the act stop the impugned act which was passed in order to implement the recommendations of the press commission and had for its object the regulation of the conditions of service of working journalists and other persons employed in newspaper establishments provided inter alia for the payment of gratuity to a working journalist who had been in continuous service whether before or after the commencement of the act for not less than 3 years even when he voluntarily resigned from service regulated hours of work and leave provided for the payment of retrenchment compensation with retrospective effect in certain cases and by section 9 within bracket 1 laid down the principles that the wage board was to follow in fixing the rates of wages of working journalists stop. Under those principles, the wage board was to have regard to the cost of living, the prevalent rates of wages for comparable employments, the circumstances relating to the newspaper industry in different regions of the country, and to any other circumstances which it might consider relevant. Stop. The petitioners contended on various grounds that the provisions of the impugned act violated their fundamental rights under articles 19 within bracket 1 within bracket a 19 within bracket 1 within bracket g comma 14 and 32 of the constitution, and that the decision of the wage board fixing the rates and scales of wages which was arrived at without any consideration whatsoever as to the capacity of the newspaper industry to pay the same imposed too heavy a financial burden on the industry and spelled its total ruin was vitiated by a wrong approach and non-application of the paper criteria and transgressed the principles of natural justice and was therefore illegal and void. Stop stanza. Held that the constitutional validity of the impugned act with the sole exception of section 5 within bracket 1 within bracket a within bracket 3 small I of the act which infringed 13 article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket g of the constitution was beyond question, and as that section severable as it was from the rest of the act must alone be declared ultra vires. Stop. Section 9 within bracket 1 of the act properly construed made it incumbent on the wage board to take into consideration the capacity of the newspaper industry to pay the rates and scale of wages recommended by it, and as there was nothing to indicate that it had done so, its decision was void and inoperative. Stop. Held further that there could be no doubt in view of the interpretation put upon Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Constitution by this court that liberty of the press was an essential part of the freedom of speech and expression guaranteed by that article, and the press had there under the right of free propagation and free circulation without any previous restraint on publication. Stop stanza.